We're a kitchen sink, and we want to find you deals so you can come home with everything you need, and even the kitchen sink. For a lot of Americans, it can be hard to make ends meet, and we want to make affording food a whole lot easier. Kitchen Sink changes shopping through its interactive grocery list, helping users find the items they need at the best prices, while also providing access to discounts, coupons, and convenient route options. We hope the Kitchen Sink can help our users and their families stretch their dollar and make their budget work in the quickest and simplest way possible. When users first open Kitchen Sink, they are directed to a user profile where they will input their information, including their university, location, and preferred distance from potential stores. After the profile is complete, the app opens to the home screen, which has three options: view your list, check out deals, and grab your saved coupons. The View Your List button automatically takes you to an interactive grocery list. Here, the user can input the food items and brands they plan to buy, and when finished, can select Find a Store. By clicking this button, our app automatically calculates the grocery store within the user's preferred mile radius that will offer all of these items for the lowest total price, accounting for coupons and deals. The user can then press Get Directions to this store. The user is given directions through a Google Map Types feature to locate the user's desired route, either by car, walking, or local bus. Another feature of our app is the option to look for coupons independent of the grocery list. The Checkout Deals button on our homepage allows users to search for coupons by category. Clicking on the coupons will save them to the Save Coupon list, accessible from the homepage. At checkout, the user can have the QR code scanned and apply all their selected coupons. This helps coupon companies monitor purchases made through the app, portions of which add to our revenue. Funds are also collected from a percent of the sales made at the stores through our app. This would incentivize stores to keep their prices low and competitive. Initially, our target market is college students in North Carolina, specifically at UNC Chapel Hill, where there are nearly 18,000 undergraduate students. Our ultimate goal is to expand nationally, impacting more than just college students. We found that 87% of Americans consider themselves middle class, which means that nearly 131 million Americans are potential users. Based upon multiple positive customer reviews, Kitchen Sink seems to be a welcomed endeavor, but under our assumptions, we don't predict that it will be profitable. The financial model we constructed for the first 3 years found being profitable to be quite difficult. The revenue we are bringing in is limited compared to the expenses that we incur, especially for the staff we need. We would need people continually gather pricing information and updating the application, and also expanding servers when we add new universities. Another problem is our limited market and pretty bold assumptions we are making about high percent population usage and low attrition rates. In order for this to work, we would need around $750,000 in total investments to get off the ground for our first year. The problem, however, is the fact that the technical profit we would be using in year 2 would be from investments and not from revenue streams. It would take expansion on a national scale and significant shifts in the amount of money we are making per purchase per customer to make sure our investors saw a return. Because of this, we do not feel it would be reasonable to pursue this venture.